Hey everybody, it's me, P-Head, and I have something to tell you. Do you know what time it is? It's time for P-Head and Pals. We're unstoppable, P-Head and Pals. We're gonna have so much fun, P-Head and Pals. Will you join us today, P-Head and Pals? It's time for our very own show, and this is called, P-Head and Pals. Hey guys, yeah, I want us to play tag over there, but we can't play tag. Why not? It's raining. Oh man. Well, what can we do? I know what we can do. We can play indoors with the computer, a laptop thing. Does that sound like a good plan? Yeah, let's do it. Alright. Let me get the laptop. Alright. Got the thing. Now let's put it up. Just excuse me for a sec. No. Alright. Here's the laptop. So, what should we do with it? Maybe we can go to Paint and use the Paint tool to make a wallpaper of us and DHX Media. That is the best idea we have ever come up with. See, I knew I was sharp and smart because, I have these spikes, but whatever. What do you look like, P-Head? Can somebody stick me up to the wall? Got it. Oh, never mind. Okay, so I've got one here, another one there, and then this thing. Don't worry if you're following along, you can do that as well. That one. This really big circle, but whatever. I don't really care about circles. Anyways, yeah, that's freeform. There we go. Look at that. It's me. I'm on it. Look. Hold on, let me color it in. Crap. Gotta fill in the line somehow. Wait, I know what to do. That one there, that one there, that one there, and that one there. So it should be able to be normal. Yep. P-Head and Pals. Yep, that is a work of art. Does anyone else want to try? I do. Alright, see you next episode. Bye-bye. Oh no!
P-Head and Pals. We're unstoppable. P-Head and Pals. We're gonna have so much fun. P-Head and Pals. Will you join us today, P-Head and Pals? It's time for our very own show, and this is called, P-Head and Pals.